What's going on YouTube? My name is Zay. I'm back with another 2-Minute Tuesday. Today we are talking about the A7 III, the best settings for the A7 III. Let's get into it. Put 2 minutes on the clock. 2 minutes on the clock. Here we go. So with the A7 III, the menu system is kind of crazy, but we can get to it. For photos, you want to shoot in RAW. You want to shoot in RAW format, uncompressed, extra fine. I don't shoot in JPEG, so that doesn't really matter. And if you want to shoot in 16:9, you can, but I usually shoot in 3:2. But sometimes I shoot in 16:9. Since it's 2-Minute Tuesday, I'm gonna try to go over it quick. You can pause if you need to. I'm gonna hit the most important stuff though. Auto track, turn that on. Definitely want to have that on. This doesn't really matter too much. You have your multimedia on multi, or you can have it on center. What this does is it reads the exposure of your scene, whether you want it to read like the whole scene all together, or you want to have it read like the centerpiece or a certain spot. If you use flash, you want to have these settings here. And white balance, you can change this on the fly. I have my pictures profile off. I used to shoot in like PP7 for photo, but that's shooting in S-Log. It doesn't really change much, but that's up to you if you want to shoot like that. It's a little bit different in workflow, but it can be useful. Have your peak setting on, and you can have it on high, low, medium. It's all personal preference. Now for video, these are your settings you want for video. You want file format. You want this format. This is the best format you can get on this camera. You want 24 at 100. Your S&Q would be a slow-mo. So these are the settings for that. 24 frames at 120. Audio recording on. Audio recording display on. If you want these settings here, you can copy them here. Next, silent shooting. So if you're at a wedding or if you're at an event where you need to be quiet, this is great and very useful. This is the release without car and release without lens. So if I turn this on, like I don't have a lens on right now. If I turn this on, I can go back to actual shooting and take a photo. Oh, I'm on continuous, so my bad, I can't do that yet. If I turn this setting off, now we can take a photo. That's all that does. That's really your main key settings you need for this camera. Of course, screen. This is your menu, like your personal menu, your quick settings. So I suggest you having your most important settings here, like silent shooting, quality of your display, monitor brightness, things like that. That's what I would have here. And the way you add items, you just go add item. You just search through your menu or whichever. So I want this file format on there, and I just drop it here. Go back, and it's there. I got straight into it this time. I didn't really play around with you. You know what I'm talking about. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm out. Peace.